my name's Brinley from Slime Believable, and I'm going to show you how to make slimes. First, you need 2 cups of clear glue. Pick your favorite food coloring and add a few drops till you like the color. Next, add 4 tablespoons of activator into your glue. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can add tiny amounts of activator if it looks like it needs more. And keep mixing. When it's all clumped together, like mine is, and it's getting hard to mix, you can take your fingers and wipe it off the spoon. And what I like to do is put a little activator on my hands and rub it and put my hands in. It might get a little messy, but it will come off your hands. See how mine's a little sticky? You can add more activator in if you would like to. When you pull it, you could feel little strings, so that means you need to keep kneading it. It doesn't mean you need more activator, but you just need to knead it with your hands. You can make swirls and bubble pops and pokes with it. And bubbles. It's a little bit hard to make a bubble. So, see how there's a hole? Still makes good pops. The last step is to make your slime look beautiful. You can add in clay charms, glitter, or anything to make your slime more fun. I'm going to add in these blue star fimo slices. And then you just mix them in and you can make bubbles and all different sorts of things with your slime. Look, you can see me through the bubbles. That's a good one. I like to make these things called bubble swirls. And it looks like this, and they make very good pops. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first you flatten your slime, and then you stretch it up like you're going to make a bubble. But then you have to put it together, and then you keep going like this and stick it to it, and then you just make like a swirl. And I call it a bubble swirl because it's a swirl and it has bubbles. I hope you had fun making slime with me, but to make sure your slime doesn't get hard or go bad, make sure you put it in an airtight container. I'm Brinley from Slime Believable. Thanks for making slime with me.